student. So today we are going to learn our fourth chapter. The chapter name is Editing in Word 2010. So far we have to learn and to create a simple text document in MS Word 2010. So we learn to start a new document. Okay, means adding or deleting the content and saving the document. But the word processing does not mean just to create a document, but there are the many powerful features which helps to make the document process quick and faster. So we will now learn one of the major advantage of word processing. For example, the editing. Okay. So this is our part first. So let's start. Editing means it's making a changes or modification like inserting or deleting, copy or moving the text, correcting the spellings, words, etc. These are the features which save the lot of time and efforts in the working of lengthy document. Okay, but before we start learning this feature, we need to learn how to select the text. So let's begin with this. Okay, so what is meant by editing? So the editing is the process of making the changes in the document as that you needed. Okay, so let's start. First, selecting the text. Selecting the text means to performing editing in the Word document, and we need to select the block of text on which the feature are to be used. This text block can be word, a line, a sentence, a paragraph or the entire document also. Okay, so the words offer a shortcut to select them quickly. So these are some. First, the word means by using double clicking on that word we can select this text easily. Next is a line. So if you want to select a line, then you have to just by clicking in the front of line, keeping the pointer in the left margin. Okay, next is the paragraph. Okay, so if you want to select the paragraph in your given text, so if you just by clicking the left mouse button in thrice in the paragraph. Okay, next is the sentence. So if you want to selecting a whole sentence, so you have to just clicking the left mouse button on the sentence while holding the control key. Okay, next is the text block. Okay, so if you want to select the text block, you have to just click in the beginning and hold the shift key and click at the end of the block. Okay, next is the whole document. So if you want to selecting the whole document, you have to just triple click in the left margin. Okay, so we just practically demonstrating how to selecting the text in word format, in line format, in the paragraph way, and also you selecting the whole sentence, whole text block, also whole document. Okay, so next is moving the text. Okay, moving the text means the text can be easily moved from one place to another in the document. Okay, so we also demonstrated how to moving the text from one document to another document. Okay, next is copy the text. Copy the text means it helps to repeat the text, means already entered text at the new location without retyping. Okay, so we also going to practically demonstrate it. So how to selecting the text, how to moving the text, and how to copy the text from one location to another location. So let's start. First, open the Microsoft Word, search it, Microsoft Word. This is our Microsoft Word window. Okay, so firstly we have to just write any sentence in the Word document. So in this way, so firstly you have to just move the pointer here and hold the right click and drag the mouse pointer. In this way you can selecting the text. Okay, if you want to just selecting one word, in this way. If you want to selecting a whole line, in this way. If you want to selecting one paragraph, in this way. Okay, if you want to select one text block, this only. Okay, in this way you can selecting the text. Next is moving the text. Means moving the text means you can directly move that sentence, word, anything from one place to another place. Okay, like in this way. First, this whole line I have to move from one location to another location. So first, create a one new document. Okay, create. This is our document first and this is our document second. Okay, minimize it. So just select it and look at here, you have one option is cut. Click on the cut option. Look at here, this line will be cut, and open the document second, and here one option paste. Just click on the paste option, paste. So look at here, this whole line will be moved from one location to another location. Here this line is not existing here, it directly move from one place to another place. Okay, in this way you can move the text from one place to another place. Next is copy the text. Okay, copy the text means it helps to repeat the already entered text at new location without retyping. Okay, for example, this Microsoft Office. Okay, I just select it and look at here, the one option copy. Click on the copy. So look at here, this line and this word is not erased, means they not move from one position to another position. Only this text is copied from another document. So click on the copy option and this is our second document. Here just click on the paste option, paste. So look at here, the Microsoft Office visible here also and here also, means document 1 and document 2 in this way. So you understand that what is different between moving the text and copy the text. Moving the text means this word, text, line, anything, they can be directly moved from one place to another place. And in the copy the text means they just copy from one location to another location. So next is finding and replacing text. Okay, finding means location of some words or text in the lengthy document at the different place can be as simple as clicking a button. Okay, means you can simply click on that button and finding that text. And what is meant by replacing text? So the replacing text means not only the text can be searched, but it can also replace with the new text quickly and easily. So let's practically demonstrate it. Next is finding the text. Finding the text means you have to just locate one text word that you have to find it. Okay, so first click on the home tab. In the home tab, editing group, here one option here, find. Okay, click on that option. So immediately the find and replace dialog box will be appear here. So here one question for you, find what you want to find in your text document. Okay, you have to just write here. So I write here the Microsoft. Okay, and then so just click on the find in button, click on that drop down button and click in the main document. So look at here, Microsoft, 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 Microsoft means they finding that word where they are be located in whole lengthy document. Okay, next is replacing. Replacing means you can replace with the new text quickly and easily. So click on the replace option. Okay, here one option is find out Microsoft and replace with. So write here one text MS. Okay, so here one option is replace all, means you have to replace this all Microsoft with the MS. So replace all. It gives one warning, Word has completed its search of the document, has been 5 replacement. Okay, so click on the OK button. So look at here, MS. In this way you can find any text in your whole document and also replacing the data. Okay, very quickly and easily.
Thank you student watching this video very carefully. If you like my video, so subscribe my channel and press the bell icon, means my new uploaded video gives a notification to you. Thank you all dear student.